Learning with Rhymes.
Hello friends! Welcome to Learning with Rhymes. Today we are going to count numbers from 1 all the way to 50. Are you ready? Come on, here we go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50. Wow! You did an amazing job! You counted from 1 to 50. Keep practicing every day and learning will always be fun.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun rhymes.